Well, John was very, very excited earlier when something flew across our lovely sky.
Yeah, Charla, the International Space Station. We had a lovely view tonight for 6 whole minutes. Had a bunch of us gathered out here. We were staring out here over the fence up into the sky, and we watched that little dot zoom right on across. And thanks to some of the nice weather that we have out here, we even have the trolley out. The trolley got a first-hand view of the space station too. How about that? The trolley rolling on the tracks, our fair weather rider. Gotta love it. That was actually a phrase coined by our photographer tonight, T-Dog, here in the backyard. Hey, if you missed the International Space Station, here's the flyover for you. One of our photographers captured this video of the dot flying across the sky, and there she goes. Thank you very much to the photographer catching that. We had the view from 8:16, and it lasted about 6 minutes. Started in the southwestern sky, and then made its way on off towards the north. Here's the current view from the WVNR building this evening. Things are looking pretty clear. Temperatures, they're starting to fall. Down in Wilkes-Barre, already down into the 30s. In our backyard, doing 40 degrees at this point. Winds from the north at about 12, making it feel a little bit cooler. New Albany checks in 33 degrees. Mashopin doing 35, 44 Williamsport and in Bloomsburg. You can see Allentown checks in at 44, Albrightsville at 35 degrees. So here's the wind speeds. These are sustained. It's not as gusty as it was earlier. That helps, but any puff of air as temperatures start to get to the 30s, it does, of course, add that little bit of extra chill. And no doubt about it, it will be on the cooler side for tonight. Latest satellite and radar loops for you. Pretty much clear for everybody. Not really concerned about any kind of fog for tonight, but we are watching some additional rain chances as we look back to the west. Actually, some severe weather ongoing across Missouri and Arkansas. Won't have severe weather in our backyard. By the time that gets here, it's all just going to be a kind of a steadier rainfall. So the rain, that's coming back for Friday. Perhaps a little bit of an icy mix for some in the far northeastern corner up through the Endless Mountains at the onset, but predominantly it will be all rainfall. Not too bad for our first weekend in April. Does look pretty warm for early next week. Here's where we're heading for tonight. As you get your day started tomorrow, we're down in the 30s to the upper half of the 20s. By the afternoon, we are making our way into the lower half of the 50s, a day very similar to what we had for today. Here's the northern region. Montrose at 48 tomorrow, Towanda at 49. As we zoom around, you'll notice everyone within a couple of degrees of each other. Thinking Carbondale checks in at about 52, Dallas 51 degrees, Berwick at 54, Weatherly at 50. Same for Freeland, Gouldsboro 48, Mount Pocono doing a 48 as well. Tamaqua 48, Jim Thorpe 53 degrees for your high tomorrow. And across the central region, places like Hughesville check in at 42. Here's future clouds and future radar. Notice the timestamp, upper right-hand portion of your screen, looking all the way to 8:30 because all of the day looks good, but by the evening, clouds have filled back in, maybe a couple of showers. Then you notice on future clouds, future radar, there's the northeast corner, maybe just a little bit of a mix at the onset of this, but I'm thinking that's going to be all that it is. Most of what we'll find on Friday will be in the form of rain, perhaps even a couple of downpours too. We'll watch that for you. Not really concerned with any flooding though, and yeah, snow kidding. From the It Could Be Worse department, look what's going on in New England. We get rain, they get snow. Forecasters up there are thinking 6 to 12 inches in some of the higher elevations. Again, for us, this is going to be all rain. Trout season opens on Saturday, 8 a.m. Schuylkill County is where it opens, and then south from there, but a couple of creeks more locally, Lizard Creek, Mahoning Creek, and Mahantungo Creeks will find that they can get their trout season started. Again, that's Saturday at 8 o'clock. There's the rest of your extended outlook. Gold Star nice there Sunday, Monday not too bad, and then rain looks to return as we go into Tuesday, which will be our first April shower. Because, yeah, we're turning the page, Charlotte. We're going to April. How about it this weekend?
Wow, hard to believe, and it's looking like nice weather next week. I like it.
Yeah, we're pretty excited, and I think the trolley pretty excited about this nice weather too.
All right, thanks so much.